I'm working on more the coming down off the elbows and back up and through and around than I am so much the act of sitting, but I know. You think? And even in this position, now that he's putting especially the left hand down more, just allowing the rotation of the wrists. So even, there's a big difference between this, but being able, and this is all I'm doing, as I move him around, and even though it might be light, so he's learning all of the different ways that the hand, so, because for me to roll my pelvis and to get up, that same movement has to be here. Same thing with handwriting. If I can't do it here, how am I supposed to do it with my wrist? Or if I can't do a circle here, I'm not going to be able to do a circle here. So again, the rotation, and this is balance, and this is walking. Eventually goes to walking, and even though it's there, you know, this is, yeah. Hi. 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 He's totally just got our eyes on her, so I'm not touching, you know, it's like, why interrupt the lesson in vision? Shower. Shower. You done? Gotta think about it. She's still there. Find her. Hi. Hello. Do you want a shower? Shower. Oh, wow. Look at you.